Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your local courier and we're back with another Amazon Flex video. We're back at Amazon Logistics. We're at VMR1 near Manchester Airport and we're here to do a 4.5 hour block. The block's paying £76.50, so let's get straight into it. Let's get the car loaded up and let's see where we end up. So we're scanned in. As you can see in the trolley, there's a lot of parcels in there, not many envelopes or poly bags. And from the map, you can see we're just outside of Manchester. So we're here loading the car up. I've decided not to bother with the crates today because just too many boxes to load up. So we'll use our driver aids, AAA, Triple B, Triple C and Triple D to organise. But let's fill the car up and then let's hit the road. First delivery is going to be the furthest from the depot, but considering it's Manchester and it's first thing in the morning, it shouldn't be too bad to get there. Let's go. So we're on the way to the depot now. Car's fully loaded up. As you can see, a lot of boxes in the back of that car, and to be fair, also in the back passenger seat. We've got 40 parcels to deliver just outside of Manchester, just on the border, and I think we cross into just near the city centre as well. So let's get to the first location, and of course it's raining, it's Manchester. Let's get these parcels delivered. Just like that, parcel number one's done. Nice and easy. Customer left us the pin to get through the front door. So we were quickly in and out, and we were told to leave it there on the parcel shelf as well. So we took a photo, let ourselves out, and we're back on the road for our second delivery. Again, it's still pouring with rain, but we get the job done. Let's get it. Our second delivery was a lot easier. It's a postal, and we do love a postal delivery because we can just go up to the door, post it in, and we're straight back out again with a successful delivery. No reports of not receiving the parcel or anything like that. Let's see how the rest of the route pans out. Hopefully it should be easy enough. Let's get it. Parcel for you. Thank you. The good thing about this block was that even though there was 40 parcels to deliver, Amazon had grouped a lot of them together because the addresses were close by, so we would still be done quite quickly. As you can see, there was a few group deliveries there. One we left under the porch, even though it was raining, it was still under cover. One we could post through, and one the customer collected. Nice and easy. Let's move on to the next deliveries. Hiya. Thank you. See you later. As this was recorded at the start of December, you can see the Christmas decorations going up on people's houses. It looks really nice, but if it wasn't for the rain, it will look even better. I always find it strange when customers are awake at 9 AM in the morning on a Sunday, but I can't complain. They take the parcel from me, delivered successfully, no complaints. Let's get to the next one. Cheers, mate. The problem in the rain is you can't leave the parcels outside in a safe place. They'll get drenched, customers' parcels will get ruined, and we get complaints. Luckily, both customers were able to take the parcels. In the first one, they kind of waved to me from the window just to let me know they'll be right down and they'll get the parcel. So again, nice and easy couple of deliveries, and we move on to the next one. Hello, how's the parcel for you?
Thank you very much.
See you later. Another parcel, another customer, and they're ready to take it in as well. It's shaping out to be a really good block, and just for typical Manchester weather, the sun started to come out as well, so that's even better. Let's hope the block continues this way, nice and easy. We may even get it done early. Let's get the next parcel delivered. Parcel for you. Thank you. I've just got a parcel there for you. Do you want me to pop it in?
Yes, please.
There you are. Cheers, see you later. 3 parcels and 3 successful deliveries. That's what we like. The weather's taken a turn as well, so it's getting even sunnier, a bit warmer as well. And to be fair, with the last delivery, I could see the mother was struggling with the baby, so it's always helpful to just put the parcel in the doorway and they can take it in. But here's to a nice and easy block, only a couple more deliveries. Let's get them done. These two deliveries bring us nicely to the end of our block. So let's reflect. VMR1, 4.5 hour shift, £76.50, and there were 40 parcels. But just like these two, there are a lot of them grouped together, so it makes our life a lot easier. I completed the block in 3.5 hours, so we got to go home an hour earlier, and it was a relatively easy block. So stay tuned for the next videos, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hi, Amazon parcel.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
see you later.
See you later.